Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about reconciliation models. Reconciliation models help to make the reconciliation process much more easier and faster. So first, let's see how to create a reconciliation model. For this, go to Accounting, Configuration, and select the option Reconciliation Models. Here, we can create a new reconciliation model. For the reconciliation model, we have three types available. The first one is manually create a write-off click button. Second one is suggest counterpart values, and the third one is match existing invoice bills. And additionally, we have the conditions that can be applied, and also the counterpart values that we can give on the reconciliation lines. So let's see the first one. I have created a description customer discount with the first type manually create a write-off on click button, and I have also given counterpart values for the model. So now let's go to create an invoice. Let's say the amount is 400. Now let's save it. Now go to the accounting dashboard and create a bank statement. Let's say they paid 350. Now click on the reconcile button and add the invoice line. Now we can see in the manual operations tab the customer discount button. This customer discount button is a reconciliation model that we created in the configuration. We can click on that and the details will get automatically filled up in here. So we can validate the invoice directly from here. Now when you go to the invoice, you can see that the invoice got paid. The next kind of reconciliation model is of the second type, which is suggest counterpart values. In this one, I have given the condition based on label, that is, the label should be monthly fee. So whenever we create a bank statement with the label as monthly fee, then we can apply this rule. So now let's create a bank statement to see how it works. As mentioned, I'll give here the monthly fee. And let's say the amount be 800. Now let us reconcile this one, and we can see a new line got added here. This is because we have set the reconciliation model to suggest counterpart values. So the next one will be Match existing invoice and bills. For this one, I have given the auto validate to true and also set the partner should be required and partner as required, and the category of the partner must be trust. So now let's create an invoice with the partner having the trust tag. Say Acrolite have the tag as trust. The amount says 650. Now let's go to the dashboard and create a bank statement. So we have given the amount as 650, which was the invoice amount. So when we reconcile this one, the invoice will get automatically reconciled. So now let's go to the invoice and check it. So it got paid. And we can see the payment is. Yes. So this is the 3 type of reconciliation model that we can create. The other options available in the model is to add a second line along with the counterpart. Also, we have the option to add the tax, and when we set the amount, when we set the tax, we can check the boolean to say whether it is included in the price or not. Also, we have the amount type selection based on fixed, percentage or form label. So that's all about reconciliation model. Thank you.
If you are interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to info@cybrosys.com.